Why collagen supplements actually work for joint health. Your joints are literally grinding down to nothing right now, and that expensive collagen powder you bought, most people are taking it completely wrong. Welcome back to the Real Bio Protocol, the channel where we break down the science of peptides, fitness, and health optimization that most people will never hear about. Today, we are diving into something that could completely change the way you think about joint health and collagen supplementation. We are going to cover exactly how it works, what the real science says, the results you can expect week by week, and exactly what you need to do to get the most out of it. Stay with us until the end because we are going to give you the full protocol. Let's get into it. ACT1. The problem here is what mainstream medicine tells you about joint pain. They say take some ibuprofen, maybe try physical therapy, and when your cartilage finally wears out completely, get surgery. They treat your joints like a car with worn brake pads. Just replace the parts when they fail. But here's what they never mention. Your body is constantly rebuilding itself. Your cartilage is not some static piece of rubber that just wears down. It is living tissue. It regenerates. It repairs. So why are millions of people walking around with destroyed knees and shoulders? Because nobody taught them how to actually support that regeneration process. The fitness industry made it worse. They told you to just push through the pain, lift heavier, run more. And when you finally cannot move without wincing, well, that is just aging, right? Wrong. That is a failure of nutrition and recovery. And the science has known this for years. ACT2, the science. Let me tell you about a study that changed everything, published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry. Researchers gave subjects hydrolyzed collagen and then tracked where it went in the body. What they found was remarkable. The collagen peptides did not just get digested and broken down into random amino acids. They accumulated specifically in cartilage tissue. The body recognized these peptides and sent them exactly where they were needed. Another study from Penn State looked at athletes with joint pain. After 24 weeks of collagen supplementation, the athletes reported significant improvements in joint pain during walking, standing, and carrying objects. A 2017 meta-analysis reviewing multiple clinical trials concluded that collagen supplementation shows promise for improving joint comfort and function. This is not some wellness guru nonsense. This is peer-reviewed research showing that your body can use collagen peptides to support joint tissue. ACT3, how it works. So why does this actually work? Let me break down the mechanism. Your cartilage is made primarily of type 2 collagen. Think of it as the scaffolding that holds everything together. When you take hydrolyzed collagen, those peptides get absorbed through your intestinal wall. Here's where it gets interesting. These peptides act as signaling molecules. They essentially tell your chondrocytes, the cells that build cartilage, to ramp up production. It is like sending a text message to your joints saying, hey, we have building materials incoming. Get to work. The key is hydrolyzation. Regular collagen molecules are too large to absorb effectively. Hydrolyzed collagen has been broken down into smaller peptides that can actually cross the intestinal barrier. Think of it like this. You cannot fit a couch through a doorway. But if you break it down into pieces, now you can get it inside and reassemble it. That is exactly what hydrolyzed collagen does for your joints. ACT4, the protocol here is exactly what you need to do. Research consistently uses doses between 10 and 15 grams daily. Less than that and you may not see optimal results. Timing matters. Take it on an empty stomach or 30 minutes before a meal. This improves absorption. And here's the key most people miss. Combine it with vitamin C. Your body needs vitamin C to synthesize collagen. Without it, you are limiting your results. Type matters too. For joint health specifically, look for type 2 collagen or hydrolyzed collagen peptides. Check the label. Make sure it lists the collagen type. Consistency is everything. This is not a quick fix. Studies showing results run 12 to 24 weeks. You need to commit. ACT5, results timeline week 1 and 2. Do not expect miracles. Your body is accumulating peptides. Week 4. Some people start noticing reduced stiffness, especially in the morning. Week 8. This is where most studies show measurable improvements in joint comfort. Week 12 and beyond. Full benefits, better mobility, less discomfort during activity, improved recovery after workouts. You are not just masking symptoms, you are supporting actual tissue health. The science is out there and now you have it. That is why we are here. This is the Real Bio Protocol. If you enjoyed this upload, do not forget to like and subscribe. Subscribing is completely free. Share this with someone who needs it and tune in again for the next upload. See you then. If you enjoyed this upload, do not forget to like and subscribe. Subscribing is completely free. Share this with someone who needs to hear it. Tune in again for the next upload. This has been the Real Bio Protocol.